Hey there, I'm Travis Studdard, a veterans disability attorney with Perkins Law Firm. Today I want to talk to you about benefits for the survivors of deceased veterans. There's three different names for this type of benefit. The official name is Dependency and Indemnity Compensation Benefits. They're also known as DIC for short, or survivor benefits. So first, who is eligible for DIC benefits? The main people are the surviving spouse and children under the age of 18, or those who are still enrolled in college or technical school. Now there are some others as well, but those are the main ones that we'll focus on here. To receive DIC, it's not an automatic benefit. You still have to prove entitlement to it. And there's several different ways you can prove your claim. The first way is by showing that your veteran died of a service-connected disability. The easiest way to do that would be someone who died actually during the course of their military service. But that's really not the most usual circumstance. The others that you'll find is when the veteran dies of a service-connected disability that has already been judged as such by a VA. If he was already service-connected for heart disease and then dies as a result of that heart disease, the surviving dependents should receive DIC. Another way is when the cause of death was not already service-connected, but you can prove that it should have been. In other words, you don't have to be service-connected before death in order for your loved ones to receive survivor benefits. So you can make that claim and prove service connection after death. The example of that would be a Vietnam veteran who dies from Parkinson's disease, but he was not drawing VA compensation for that. You can then prove Agent Orange exposure, prove that the exposure caused the Parkinson's and the Parkinson's resulted in death, thereby winning the DIC claim. Now a third way is quite interesting and one that many people don't know about, and that's when the veteran was 100% service-connected for at least 10 years prior to death. If that's the case in your situation, the death does not even have to be service-connected or related to military service. The survivor should get it no matter what. So an example of that would be someone who is service-connected 100% for 10 years on, let's say, Parkinson's and heart disease, but then they die of an unrelated cancer. Those survivors should get it because of the 10-year rule. If you have a loved one who was a veteran and has died, you may be entitled to DIC benefits. If so, we're glad to help you with that and see whether you should receive those. You can find more information on our website, whenyourvetclaim.com, where we've got videos and blogs on this topic and many others. You can reach out to us on that website and set up a free consultation with us, or you can give us a call, 770-214-8885, and we'll be glad to discuss your claim. Thanks for watching.